In the modern world of aerospace warfare, a single drone can shift the balance of power. The Shahed-149 Gaza, a masterpiece of Iranian defense engineering with its remarkable range, 35-hour endurance, and the ability to carry various smart bombs and missiles, has become a real threat to any distant target. But what sets this drone apart from its American counterparts? In this video, we will take you deep into the technology, tactics, and design secrets of one of Iran's most mysterious and advanced reconnaissance combat drones. Stay with me as we uncover the true secrets of this strategic platform. As you know, the Shahed-149 Gaza is one of Iran's most advanced military drones, unveiled by the Aerospace Force of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, in 2021. It was named in honor of the resistance of the people of Gaza during the 11-day battle. The design and construction of this drone are entirely indigenous. The Shahed-149 is considered Iran's largest operational drone. The Shahed-149's airframe closely resembles the American MQ-9 Reaper, but is larger and heavier. It has a fuselage length of about 11 meters and a wingspan of nearly 21 meters. Its overall height is approximately 3.8 meters, and its maximum takeoff weight is 3,100 kilograms. The structure is optimized for heavy payloads and high durability. The Shahed-149 is the first Iranian drone to use a turboprop engine, producing between 650 and 750 horsepower. The turboprop provides extended range and endurance, but also results in increased fuel consumption and engine weight. The flight range of the Shahed-149 is between 2,000 and 4,000 kilometers, with some reports claiming up to 7,000 kilometers. This range allows it to conduct reconnaissance and combat missions over extremely long distances. Its 35-hour flight endurance ranks among the best for drones worldwide, making it a strategic asset for Iran. The maximum speed of the Shahed-149 is about 350 kilometers per hour, and its cruising speed is around 215 kilometers per hour. Its service ceiling is reported to be about 10,600 meters, 35,000 feet. Flying at this altitude helps avoid ground-based threats, which is essential for long-duration reconnaissance missions. The drone can carry a payload of up to 500 kilograms, which includes reconnaissance equipment or various types of light bombs and missiles. The internal design of the airframe provides adequate space for payloads, which is sufficient for combat operations. The Shahed-149 has 4 external hardpoints and an internal bay for weapons. It can carry a variety of Iranian anti-armor missiles and guided bombs. Its ability to simultaneously carry up to 13 light bombs or missiles gives it a high level of operational flexibility. The Saeed 345 bombs, Qaim and Almaz missiles are among the weapons it can carry, along with Ra'ad 301 and Balaban missiles. This weapon variety allows it to adapt to different mission profiles and strike both moving and stationary targets with high precision. The Shahed-149 is equipped with advanced electro-optical systems and thermal cameras. Its primary camera has up to 120x zoom capability, enabling accurate target identification and tracking day and night, even in adverse weather conditions. To prevent jamming and hacking, the drone is equipped with electronic warfare-resistant navigation systems. These include anti-spoofing receivers and secure communication links. Images and data are transmitted over long distances to the command center, ensuring mission security. Compared to the Shahed-129, the Shahed-149 shows significant improvements. The Shahed-129 has a fuselage length of 8 meters, a wingspan of 16 meters, and a takeoff weight of around 2,200 kilograms. The Shahed-149 offers about 10 hours more endurance. The Shahed-149 also has a higher ceiling and greater operational range than the Shahed-149 and can carry more weapons. This makes it better suited for long-range and sensitive missions. However, its larger size could make it more detectable by radar. Compared to the American MQ-9 Reaper, the Shahed-149 is slightly larger and lighter. The MQ-9 has a takeoff weight of 4,760 kilograms and a wingspan of 20 meters. The MQ-9 can carry more than 1,000 kilograms of weapons and has a maximum speed of about 482 kilometers per hour. The Shahed-149, however, boasts superior endurance of up to 35 hours. The MQ-9 is powered by a more powerful 900 horsepower engine, providing higher speed and greater payload capacity. Still, the Shahed-149 excels in long-duration missions thanks to its superior range and endurance. Both drones belong to the class of heavy reconnaissance combat, used by SAEVs. The main advantage of the Shahed-149 lies in its long flight endurance and wide operational coverage without the need for refueling. This enables preemptive threat identification. Its high weapon capacity and variety also enhance operational flexibility. The addition of electronic warfare resistance systems has further increased its survivability. Disadvantages of the Shahed-149 include relatively low speed and a relatively high radar cross-section. Its large size and bulky airframe make it easier to detect by radar in some scenarios. Additionally, its weapon load is less than that of the MQ-9. These operational design limitations must be considered. The Shahed-149 plays an important role in Iran's defense strategy. It can carry out reconnaissance and strike missions at very long ranges, giving the Iranian Aerospace Force an intelligence edge. The drone also complements ground-based air defense systems. The Shahed-149 can support ground units with air cover and can even serve as a limited missile launch platform. Its continuous flight capabilities and long-distance coverage make it suitable for diverse mission sets. The drone is designed to enhance the security of Iran's borders. According to experts, the Shahed-149 is capable of operating in highly contested environments. Its advanced navigation and electronic countermeasure systems improve this capability. It can also be used for maritime and border reconnaissance missions. Its versatility across missions is a key strength. The Shahed-149. Gaza represents a major advancement in Iran's defense drone industry. Its combination of long-range, endurance, and smart weapon capabilities gives it a unique position, while it has limitations in speed and stealth. It plays a crucial role as a long-range reconnaissance combat UAV in Iran's defense strategy.